Hi everyone, welcome back. My Suburban is now for sale, so I'm going to do a quick video tour and I will update the description once it's sold. Let's get going. Alright, start out with a quick walk around. It's a 2007 Suburban, 5.3 liter V8, four-wheel drive, around 200,000 miles, well maintained, light bar in the front, winch hookup in the front and the back, front hitch receiver in the front added, as well as a standard one in the back. Come around, solar pipe shower, PVC, holds about 6 gallons, so roughly 2 showers. Shovel. There's a 2-inch front leveling kit in the front and 1.5-inch coil spacer in the back. A little bit bigger tires, gives you more clearance. Front and rear cameras, 290 watts of solar on the top in the form of a main array that's 240 watts, as well that goes to the big Blue Eddy AC200P, as well as a flexible 50-watt solar panel on top of the cargo box that goes to the Jackery 300 inside. Coming inside, you have the bed platform with 3 fold-up panels for storage. The back two have gas struts to hold themselves up. Nice smooth handles, easy access. The entire interior is finished, sanded to 180 grit. 220 grit with 2 coats of polyurethane, oil-based. Here you have the Jackery 300, which receives solar from the top panel on top of the cargo box here. Fan, couple battery powered lights. I use this as a laundry chute. Cubbies for clothes or whatever you want to store. From this side there's 10-gallon RV water tank with an electric pump. Nice easy push button. Little cubby here, how you like to call my light stand. Lockable storage below. Behind there I would store window coverings for the entire vehicle. Those are included with the sale. Little latches here for a little bit more storage. Here's the Blue Eddy AC200P. Very light usage, turns on just fine. Microwave works as well. Nice and clean. 2 storage bags. I like to use this one for electronics. This one for toiletries, but of course do as you may. Iceco. This is the new 12-volt fridge that opens from both sides. A platform to level it out. More storage on the driver's side rear door. This is accessible from the outside. Storage up here. I used to use for my spices. Bins, you can put whatever you want in there. I use cooking utensils. I put extra toilet paper and deodorant down there. Whatever you feel works for you. Here's the hookups for the solar panels and the alternator charging. From the front driver's side, you can see back here is an inverter which gets powered by the alternator, which charges the battery when driving. Everything's nice and clean. 4-wheel drive switch for high and for low. Iceco, nice and clean. Opens from both sides, so you have no trouble there. You can hear it start up. Starts up no problem. Mileage shown. Come over. This is the receiver that's been added aftermarket. Once it fires up, I'll show you the front and rear view cameras. Flip down cup holders on both sides. Nice little addition. Extra storage down here below the dash as this pops on. There's the front. There's also a DIY awning right here on top, and I have a video showing how that works, how I made it. That rolls out The tires have plenty of tread on them left. And then the dimensions for the bed platform are 48 inches across. And then from the front rail all the way back to the rear hatch is around 76.5 inches. Put whatever kind of mattress you want back there. The listing will be in the description down below, and then as well as my contact information. You can reach out to me if you have any questions. Good luck on your adventures. Catch ya.